Xiaomi Mix Flip 2 Diamond Limited Edition launched with luxury design, gemstone frame, and premium accessories. In June, Xiaomi unveiled the Mix Flip 2 as the world's first flip phone powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Since its launch, the device has been available in 4 colors: white, purple, green, and gold. Today, just ahead of China's Qixi Festival, Xiaomi introduced a special edition of the Mix Flip 2 designed to combine jewelry-grade craftsmanship with advanced foldable technology. Xiaomi Mix Flip 2 flaunts premium design with diamond detailing. The Xiaomi Mix Flip 2 Diamond Limited Edition is priced at R69.99 yuan, 975, and is offered in a single 12GB RAM and 512GB storage configuration. It is available in 2 themed colors: cherry red and glacier white. The main highlight lies in the middle frame, which is embedded with a lab-grown diamond featuring a cupid cut, certified by NGTC. The back panel adopts crocodile-textured Kona leather with a metal Xiaomi nameplate for a premium feel. Buyers also receive a customized gift box including a rotating protective case, pearl chains of varying lengths, and a textured storage pouch. Xiaomi Mix Flip 2 Mix Diamond Limited Specifications. On the hardware front, the limited edition shares its configuration with the standard Xiaomi Mix Flip 2. The device is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, paired with a 5165 mAh battery supporting 67W wired and 50W wireless charging. For photography, it carries a 50-megapixel Leica main sensor, a 50-megapixel Leica ultra-wide lens, and a 32-megapixel front camera. The Xiaomi Mix Flip 2, including its Diamond Limited Edition, is currently restricted to the Chinese market, and there is no confirmation yet regarding its global availability.